Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna see how to make easy, tasty, simple starter mutton meatballs. Now take a bowl, add a handful of gram dal which will be easily available in market. Add 2 green chilies, and now coming to spices, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now add 1 cinnamon, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, and add salt as per your taste. Add 100 grams of mutton mince into a bowl. After adding all this, transfer this mixture into a blender and grind it well. Now we are ready with our meatballs batter. Add handful of fresh coriander leaves for nice flavor. Now make balls of it and keep it ready to fry. Now take a pan and add oil accordingly. Now add the meatballs and reduce the flame to low so that the meat cooks well. Fry until it turns into golden brown. Now strain it in a plate and enjoy your easy, tasty snack.